For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
The Mecity 4-slice long slot toaster is designed to make family breakfasts easier and quicker. With wide and deep slots, this stainless steel toaster can handle different bread types and shapes. I've personally tried it with thick sourdough slices and bagels, and it toasted them evenly without me having to flip or adjust. If you're looking for a reliable way to toast different kinds of bread, this one does the job well. The extra-wide 1.5-inch by 4.7-inch slots let you toast 4 pieces at once or fit larger bread like artisan loaves. I've even used the built-in warming rack for croissants, and it kept them warm without drying them out. That small feature becomes really handy on busy mornings when everyone wants something different at the same time. With 6 browning settings, you can dial in the exact crispness you like. In my house, I prefer a darker golden crunch, while my kids like it lighter, and this toaster makes it easy to adjust for both. Having used several toasters over the years, I can say the browning consistency here is better than most budget models I've tried. The digital countdown timer is another useful detail. After pressing the lever, it shows the browning level you chose and then starts counting down the time left. I like this because I can organize other kitchen tasks while keeping track of when the toast will pop up. The lift is high enough that I don't need to dig into the slots or risk burning my fingers. It also comes with multiple heating modes for different needs. The bagel mode heats one side and keeps the other warm, which worked perfectly when I tested it on fresh bagels from the bakery. The defrost mode saved me time when I put in frozen waffles. They came out toasted evenly in one cycle. The reheat mode is a quick 30-second warm-up that's useful when toast sits out too long. Cleaning is straightforward. The non-stick stainless steel slots and removable crumb tray make it easy to clear out crumbs without hassle. I clean mine once or twice a week, and it takes less than a minute. The body stays cool thanks to heat-resistant materials, though you want to avoid touching the slots directly while it's working. With its 1300-watt power and slim stainless steel build, the Mecity toaster combines efficiency with practicality. For my own use, it's not just another appliance. It's one of those tools that makes mornings smoother and less stressful.